first day at a new school. I wonder what it'll be like. Hey! Oh no! Where is he going?
Wait, he's coming to my school?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome to grade 9. I hope this year will be full of learning and success.
May I come in, teacher?
Yes, come in.
Why does he look familiar?
Oh no, please don't be the same guy.
You!
Sorry!
Let's save the excitement for break time. Please be quiet.
Sorry, teacher.
I really am sorry about the water. It's okay. I'm Akbar. I'm Ali. Looks like we're starting school in a very strange way.
Ali, why are you laughing all by yourself?
Yeah, tell us. Was it something funny?
I was just remembering the first day I met my best friend Akbar.
The water splashing friend?
Exactly.
I knew it!
My story wasn't funny. It started with a difficult moment. It was my first day in grade 11. I didn't know many people yet. And then something happened that I never expected.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
We wanted to talk to you.
Okay.
Why do you wear your hijab all the time?
Because it's part of my faith.
You should try taking it off.
No, thank you. She already answered. Please respect her choice.
Fatma's hijab deserves respect. Everyone should be free to follow their beliefs.
All right.
Thank you. No problem. I'm Hannah. I'm glad we met.
And that's how Hannah became my best friend.
That was brave.
She sounds like a great friend.
I like Hannah already! My story is funnier!
Excuse me, I think those might be my shoes. Maybe these ones over there are yours. Oh, you're right. I'm sorry about that. That's okay. It's okay. It was funny. Can we start over? Sure. I'm Hamza. I'm Musa. Nice to meet you.
My turn!
The day I met Miriam happened during lunch break. I turned around and saw a girl drop her lunch.
Huh? What is she doing?
I thought she would start crying, but she did something I never expected.
Instead of being upset, she chose to feed a hungry animal. Would you like to share my lunch? Really? Of course. Of course. This is the best lunch ever! And that was the day Miriam became my best friend.
Aww, that was such a sweet story.
And the cat got lunch too.
Ummi, what about you? How did you meet your best friend?
Tell us.
Well, it was many years ago, when we were just about your age.
Our courtyard had a beautiful jasmine plant. One morning it was covered with flowers,
They smell wonderful.
so I decided to take them to school.
Still smells amazing. Wow. Are those jasmine flowers?
Of course. You can have one.
Really?
Yes. These are for you. They smell so sweet.
Wow, thank you. They are so pretty.
And from that
Friends?
day on, we became best friends.
And that's how I met my best friend.
That was beautiful. All because of jasmine flowers.
Sometimes small things create big friendships.
Everyone has a special story. But I don't.
Now it's my turn. One day at school, my friend was crying very loudly. Everyone was shocked. Her pencil broke, and she cried and cried and cried. Then I gave her my
Behold,
pencil,
The magic pencil! Guaranteed to pass any test!
and she immediately became my best friend.
Really? That sounds strange.
Okay, it didn't happen. I made it up.
Oh, Sarah. Sarah, even when something sounds funny, we should always tell the truth. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Truthfulness leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to paradise, and lying leads people away from what is right."
I'm sorry.
Thank you for telling the truth.
Looks like everyone's friendship started differently. Good friends are one of Allah's beautiful blessings. Choose friends who encourage kindness, honesty, and goodness.